Hello, I'm Melissa Wu from eXp Realty. We're now at our listing 3355 Deering Island. This island is the only residential island in Vancouver. This island also comes with a tennis court, basketball court, and just next to the trail of the Musqueam Golf Course. We are at West 53rd and McDonald. This is Southland, just next to the Southland Riding Club. And on this side, we have the public golf course, Macleary. Do you like to golf? When you see the island, there are two separate sides. This side is where all the residences have their own private marina. You can have a fishing boat, a yacht, or a speedboat for all your summer boating activities. Check it out. Hello, I'm Melissa Wu from eXp Realty. Welcome to the luxury home on Deering Island, 3355 Deering Island. This property is actually 3 levels up with a large master bedroom at the top floor, 3 bedrooms on the upper floor, plus another main floor bedroom. This is 3355 Deering Island. Beautiful, gorgeous home, 3 levels up with a marina. And there is a Lamborghini SUV. When you write an offer, would you include the car?